Hello and welcome to our Key Stage 3 physics session on sound waves. We will start by reviewing the structure of sound waves and then move on to looking at the volume and pitch of sound. We're going to start off by labeling a sound wave diagram. This point is the highest point of a sound wave, and this is why it's called a peak. It's the peak. The lowest part of a sound wave is called the trough. The distance between the line of zero and the peak is called the amplitude. This also applies with the distance between the line of zero and the trough. The distance between the center of two adjacent peaks is called the wavelength. The volume of a sound changes as its amplitude changes. So a large amplitude creates a loud sound and a small amplitude creates a quiet sound. So looking at these two diagrams, which of these sounds would be louder? Sound B has a larger amplitude, so sound B is louder than sound A. As it says here, wave B has a larger amplitude, meaning louder sounds. So the wave height is also called the amplitude. You can remember this as larger amplitude equals louder volume. As you can see, both waves have the same pitch as we have not changed the frequency. You can see this by checking how many peaks and troughs there are in both diagrams. In sound A, you can see that there are 2 peaks, and in sound B, there are also 2 peaks. The pitch of a sound changes as the frequency changes, and that is the number of waves that pass a point. A high frequency creates a high pitch, and a low frequency creates a low pitch. So which of these sounds has the higher pitch? Sound Y has the higher pitch as it has more complete waves per second. So as you can see, the waves are more squashed together. That means that it has a higher frequency, therefore creating a higher pitch. So the number of waves per second is called the frequency, and you can remember this by saying higher frequency equals higher pitch. So as you can see in diagram X, there's only 1.5 wave cycles. In diagram Y, there are 3 complete wave cycles, which creates a higher pitch. Both waves have the same volume as their amplitudes are the same. So the distance between the line of zero and the peak in both diagrams is the same. So the pitch is different, but the volume is the same. Here is an activity for you. Let's see if you can fill in the blanks using the information we just discussed. There is also a word bank given below. Feel free to pause the video and have a go before we review the answers. Here is the summary of sound waves. You can check your answers and see how you did. I hope this review of sound waves has been useful. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and take a look at our social media tagged below to know more about all the services we offer. See you next time.